She's been your first friend, your greatest teacher, and your forever hero. Through every smile, every sacrifice, and every sleepless night, Mom has given her all just for you. Today, we say thank you.
Basically, who I am today is because of my mother.
I have experienced and realized that how the sacrifice, challenges, and growth that mother has gone through. So I love you so much, Ma.
ඒ නිසා මම මේක chance එකක් කරගන්නවා ඇත්තටම අම්මට thank you කියන්න. මොකද මට කවදාවත් අම්මට කියන්න හම්බෙලා නැහැ ඒක. ඒ වගේම I love you so much. Happy Mother's Day අම්මා.
මම අම්මට ගොඩක් ආදරේ. Happy Mother's Day.
Hi Ma, so far you have done so many things for us, but I never had a chance to say thank you.
හැමෝම ඔයාලට ගොඩක් ආදරේ. Happy Mother's Day අම්මා. I love you so much. Happy Mother's Day අම්මා.
Happy Mother's Day අම්මා.
එයා තමයි මගේ ජීවිතේ ලොකුම ඉන්ස්පිරේෂන් එක, මගේ ලොකුම සපෝට් එක.
Happy Mother's Day අම්මා.
Happy Mother's Day අම්මා.
Happy Mother's Day අම්මේ.
Happy Mother's Day අම්මා.
Happy Mother's Day අම්මා. I would like to say thanks for everything that you have done. Happy Mother's Day Mama. I love you.